Tutorial of Service Vendor. Click on Service. Go to Service tab. Click this little arrow. Click on Pending. Click on Assign Vendor, then select Vendor and select to be delivered by. Now click Assign. Vendor is assigned successfully. Go to Service Vendor, then Assign Tasks. Click on Assign, then Accept it. Now it's en route. Go to Delivery Assignments. Click to Vendor, then Received by Vendor. Now go to Assign Tasks. Click this Edit sign. Check all the completed tasks. Enter service remarks. Check mark as work completed. Add bill amount and task bill image. Now click mark as work completed. Now go to Delivery Assignments. Click to Dealership, then Received by Dealership. Go to Service Manager, then Service. Click this arrow. Now, as you can see, it's completed. Click Assign Vendor. Click Assign Vendor, then select to be delivered by, and click Assign. Go to Service Vendor, then Assign Task. Now click Assigned, and then Accept it. Go back to Delivery Assignments. Click to Vendor, then Received by Vendor. Now go to Assign Tasks. Click Edit option. Check the completed tasks, enter remarks. Add bill amount and image. Then check mark as work completed. Then click mark as work completed. Go to Delivery Assignment. Click to Dealership, then Received by Dealership. Now go to Service Manager, then Service tab. As you can see, it is completed.